It is
Wait lang,
a
pwede ko isa-isahin?
very big day on the farm. A cake is baking. Dreamers are screaming. Mice are floating past the window.
Galing.
Pin the tail on the donkey. Cancelled by donkey. Duck, duck, goose. Cancelled by goose. Okay. Anak bata.
Sabi niya?
Sa akin na ba?
Ito.
Ito. Ito? Everybody.
Alet. Everybody watch. What?
Ito muna.
Wait.
Wait. Ayan. Saan?
One.
Diretso.
Wants to look their best for little ducks. Breed.
Wala akong room eh. Wala akong room. Mami, wala akong own room. Kasi lagay dito.
Ano sound to?
When children disobey their earthly dad, he might send them to their rooms.
Party.
Tapos ako walang room.
Ulit.
Wag na to.
4. Basahin mo ulit.
Basa kayo. Everybody wait
Once.
to look their best for little ducks.
Ayaw.
Party. Wag na to.
Okay yan. Kaya mo yan.
Ayok ka.
Go.
Ducks. Duck
Takes.
takes a long hot
What is the matter?
bubble bath to look
That one.
Ano to?
his best.
Oh, di ba kaya mo? Ito na.
He rub a dubs and walks on over to the maple tree. Yuwet pa mo. Little ducks. What? Chess and then rub a dubs too. Here. Okay. Bye-bye, baby duck. The sheep need a trim to look their best they snippy clip
Snippet.
clip
Hindi, ito nga. Snippet.
snippy clip snippety clip green and walk on over to the maple tree. The end. Little ducks watches and they
Ano itong sound? Ito. Oh, go.
then
And
then
then
snippety clip to nagpogi dila long tago. Hello guys, bye bye.
Hi guys, this is Jaddy's first time reading an English book. Show the ano, show the book.
Bayad mo to.
Hindi, show the title.
Okay, ulit din.
Hindi, title. Pakita mo lang yung title. Ito yung front page.
Front page.
And smile.